what's underneath it. Say hello. Can you say hi? Hi everyone. So we are headed out right now. We are going to go get Kay something to eat. And then we gotta head over to the house. So it's been a nice, actual quiet morning. He's been just running around. So it's just been nice and quiet. The weather's just been interesting. It was pouring earlier. I mean, I don't think I've ever heard it so loud and stuff. So it was really interesting. So just enjoying my last day off. I'm so not looking forward to going back to work. I really don't want to go, but I gotta, and there's nothing I can do about it. But so just trying to figure out everything else. I need to go back to work, and then Kay's dad's coming in town, so odd timing, I know, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm probably not going to be staying at our other place. I'm going to probably just be staying at, back here, just so I can help support her and stuff. So we will see how that goes, huh? You ready to eat, Mama? Can you say arg, baby? Yeah, can you say arg, baby? Yeah, we'll go back there in just a moment. But can you say arg, baby? Arg, baby! Can you show him your kitty? Yeah, show him your kitty. Yeah, what do you have with you? Is that your Cheshire cat? What? I know. No, yeah, you put him down there on the ground, huh? Did you throw your kitty? Yeah, you did. So, in the car again. We are just finishing up running to the house. I swear, I don't know how many times I've gone back and forth from that house and stuff. People are driving like crazy right now. They get a truck in front of them and they just go flying all over the place. I don't know what the heck they're doing. Ay, 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 traffic. What can you do? But, yeah, we're just headed back to see Kay. I had to run to Target and get a couple things. Oh, so funny story. So I told Kay, okay, I'm gonna get a coffee while I'm at Target because I'm been running around a lot. I'm kind of sleepy, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a coffee. So I get it and I stick it in the basket and I take like 2 or 3 sips as we're walking along. And I go to put the bags in the car, and then I always take Kim inside the cart to go drop it off in those little stalls for it. Lo and behold, guess what I leave in the stall? My coffee. So I was like, no! So I went by another Starbucks, got another coffee. I am just out of it. I just feel so lethargic and tired. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But had to run by Kristen's, like I said a little bit ago, Kristen's dad's coming in, so we have some presents and stuff. We always accumulate presents, and then whenever we see each other, everybody just gives each other the presents, so it could be totally random days. So I just got a stack of stuff to give him. So, but we're headed back home to give that guy some dinner and get him wound down. He's getting tired and fussy, you can tell in those eyes. So show her your kitty. Hey, show her your kitty. No?
Mama?
What about Mama? Are we a fussy baby right now? Hey, are we a fussy baby right now? Oh, we're a fussy baby right now. Hey, that's the look of a fussy baby.
Mama?
So A is having dinner, and I was just sitting here in the chair, and he comes back, and he's pushing me in the chair, he's rocking me, and then he brings me his guys. So he brings me his doggy, and he brings me his kitty. You see Chiefy? Yeah, you got your kitty. How about your doggy? That has been one well-loved doggy. Oh, you gonna show him to Chiefy? That's so nice. Good job sharing. You gonna put him in rum? Poor Chief is going, excuse me guys, but there's a cat and a dog right here. I think he likes them, don't you think? Uh-oh. Anyway, we're just kind of hanging out here. T is cleaning some corn for dinner. We're gonna hopefully be able to grill some chicken tonight. It rained really hard earlier, but it's not so bad anymore. So we're just kind of relaxing. A's having an early dinner, and I'm just kind of hanging out. My leg. It hurts a lot more today than it has in the past 2 days, so we're just kind of relaxing. You say hi. There's the chair, huh? Rock and rock. Thank you. That helps so much.
Mama.
What are you doing?
Ow.
Ow. Does your knee hurt too? Can you blow kisses? That's okay. Yeah. We don't like it so much that Mama's not up and about.
Mama? What?
I love you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Watching a snowboarding movie and having some dinner. Can you have some more dinner, please?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. So hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll talk to you later.
Yep, this is why I was not able to grill. So I'm trying to get this guy to light here, but it's really nasty and really rainy right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him going. But I'm gonna keep trying. Oh yeah, you know you want headgear like this.